Hi guys, I want to show you this wireless barcode scanner. We have a small e-commerce shop and we have been using this scanner already a few weeks. The scanner has three connection options. You can use it with Bluetooth, USB or wireless receiver. It's very fast and accurate and it can scan both 1D and 2D barcodes even directly from phone screen, which is really helpful if you're working with apps or online inventory. One thing I really like is that it has internal memory and it can store a large number of barcodes. This is great if you're scanning items away from your computer and want to upload them later. It also comes with a stand, as you can see, and you can use it with hands free, like this. And then if you have here the package, just scan it. Also the battery, it's built in and it's rechargeable. It can handle up to around 80,000 scans on a full charge. You charge a battery with the USB cable that comes with the scanner. Charging takes about 5 hours and then you're good to go again. The scanner works with computers, laptops, tablets and phone. So if you're using it with your phone or your tablet, you just connect the scanner via Bluetooth. If you're using the scanner with your laptop or desktop computer, you need to insert this USB port in your computer and then it will connect to the scanner. I already insert the dongle in my computer and the scanner is connected. Now I will try to scan a pair of shoes. Here, it's working and it's perfect. I think that this scanner is perfect for small businesses, warehouses, Amazon sellers, eBay sellers. It's very small, reliable, and good quality.